This is your host Asan from IT Educator. Today we will be checking how to check Intel processor generation on your Windows 4. So for that what we have to do is open System Information tab. Here you can see that I have a processor Intel i5. So the number after the i5 dash represents the generation of your processor chip. So in my case the processor is i5-5300U, so that means i5-5. It means that I have the fifth generation because the number is 5 after the 5. So if you have i5-7, that means you have the seventh generation, and so on. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like and share the videos if you found it helpful, so I'll be able to create more such interesting videos for you containing Windows hacks as well.